She's like a grade 3.
What is the grade?
So there's 4 grades of roaring and 4 is the worst.
Oh, so
he's really, we had him scope.
Go, Sarah!
Because can it cause damage?
It's really common actually in thoroughbred racing.
It's extremely common.
They have a tieback surgery that corrects it. Yeah. And it's really effective. Like there's been a lot of, because there's a lot of it costs about $3,000. And when we had him scoped, the vet said that for the work
Did she go over that wall?
right now, he doesn't need surgery.
Oh, did she skip a jump?
No. Like only if he was like laboring to breathe.
Sorry, Sarah.
Not making time on cross country or something. Then they should consider quite a big way up. Like,
Woo!
like 3 months of recovery. Yeah, it's like 6 weeks of stall rest, and then so it's like fairly, I don't know, 6 weeks of stall rest. Yeah, and then after that they have to learn to swallow again.
I was gonna say they have to, yeah.
Because
how do they teach a horse to do that? I mean, they don't have like a, what do they call them at the hospital? The respiratory therapy.
Right.
They catch their muscle or?
No, all they do is they take a little suture and tie back the flap.
Okay.
So, they,
So the scar tissue pulls on.
no, there's no scar tissue. There's just, all it is that little mechanism that
Go, Sarah!
when they take in a breath,
Looking great.
swallow food. And I want to go yeah, and what it is on a roar, it's paralyzed, partially paralyzed on the left side because they have the nerve going to it, the right side is diverted, the nerve going to it on the left side gets diverted all over the horse's body for some reason. So it's really, that's why it's so common that the left side of that little thing gets paralyzed quite easily. They could have like a respiratory infection or they could just be born with it, it's hereditary. So what they do is they just take like a suture and they just tie that flap back on the left side so it's always open on that side. So there's complications in they are more prone to choking because when they swallow it doesn't close all the way. So they can't inhale their food. So yeah, after they have the surgery they
So it's kind of like, how much is this inhibiting the horses?
right.
Woohoo! Yay, Sarah!
Woohoo! The only trouble that he has with it is sometimes
Sorry.
like on my last round when he's breathing hard, so I put his head
Sit
down
up!
trying to breathe better. And then he's not paying attention and then he starts tripping on
And
things.
then he's like, where's a
and-
jump's coming up?
Yeah.
He did that.
I know, and it can get kind of scary.
Yeah.
Because then he's like, whoa, there's a jump, you know?
This is the worst filming job ever. Good girl, Tilly!